Hey, I'm Grady, your AI business guide. Let's dive into the world of compliance. Is your manufacturing company sweating over passing the CMMC 2.0 audit? Today, I'll show you how AI is turning this daunting task into a streamlined process. Stick around to discover how one manufacturer saved 50K, how AI tools can cut audit prep from 3 weeks to 2 days, and the surprising role of AI twins in compliance. The Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification, or CMMC, is a significant concern for small manufacturers, especially with the updated 2.0 version. Non-compliance could mean losing lucrative defense contracts or facing hefty penalties. But what if I told you AI could be your secret weapon in navigating these complex requirements? AI tools can continuously monitor and optimize your cybersecurity measures to align with CMMC 2.0 standards. For example, AI systems can detect and alert you to vulnerabilities that could result in a compliance breach, saving you from potential fines. One of the biggest pains in compliance is audit preparation. AI can streamline this process by automating documentation and tracking compliance tasks, cutting prep time from weeks to days. Beyond time, AI can significantly reduce costs associated with compliance. By minimizing manual processes and avoiding the steep fines of non-compliance, small manufacturers can save tens of thousands annually. AI twins, digital replicas of physical processes, can simulate compliance scenarios, allowing manufacturers to identify potential issues before they occur. This predictive capability is crucial in ensuring continuous compliance. Let's look at some success stories. From small manufacturers who turned AI into a compliance ally to those who avoided substantial fines, these examples highlight the transformative impact of AI. Which AI tools have you considered for your compliance needs? Let us know in the comments, or visit us at gradientdata.com for more information.